how to create another Temu account on the same phone. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on the U icon at the bottom of the screen. On the profile page, tap on Settings in the top right corner. Inside Settings, look for the Sign Out option and tap on it to log out of your current account. After logging out, you will return to the Temu login screen. Now, tap on Register or Sign in with another account to create a new account. Next, you can continue using your Apple ID, Google account, Facebook account, email, or phone number. For this video, I will continue with Google, so I'll tap on the Continue with Google button. Next, select a Google account that is not already linked to another Temu account, and then tap the Continue button. Once the new account is created, you can start using Temu with this account on the same phone. If you want to switch between accounts, simply go to Settings, tap Switch Accounts, and then log in with the account you want to use. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.